Okay, so we've done the experiment looking at how the mass of a liquid changes with its volume. Now we want to do the same thing but for solids, okay? And the solid we're going to do this for is wood. So we have a number of different sized wooden blocks, now all made out and cut from the same single block of wood, but they're all different sizes, okay? Now, they're all cuboids, so we can work out the volume by multiplying the length times the breadth times the height. So hopefully that is an equation you've come across in maths. So all I do is I measure those separate things using a meter rule, or well, in this case a half meter rule. So I'm going to take this block, place my ruler along it, and the length there is 14.0 centimeters. Okay. If you notice, I put in the 0.0 there because the meter rule I'm using measures down to millimeters. Okay, so I should include the millimeters on that. Now, what I then do is I multiply that by the breadth, which is 3.0 centimeters, and then the height, which is 4.1. Okay, so each of those values, we're done measuring a meter rule that measures down to millimeters, but they're given in centimeters there, but that's why I've included the 0.0, which is important. And what I can do then is I can just type that into my calculator, 14.0 times 3.0 times 4.1, and it gives me 172.2, and that would be centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, so it's centimeters cubed for our unit. However, if we look at these values, that's the 3 significant figures, that's the 2 significant figures, and that's the 2 significant figures, which means we should probably round that to 2 significant figures and just leave it as 170 centimeters cubed. Okay, so by measuring the length, the breadth, and the height of each of these blocks, I can then work out the volume of each of them, and then it's simply a matter of getting our electronic balance, place them on it, and the mass there is 81 grams. Okay. So what I will do is I will measure the length, the breadth, and the height of the remaining blocks. I'll put that into your OneNote. You will have to calculate the volume then and try and stick to the correct number of significant figures. And then we'll post in your OneNote what you should do with the results and in terms of your conclusion and everything else. Okay, thank you.